People sometimes think that it's a good idea to leave their child $1 so that they cut that child out of their estate. Well, in Washington, where I practice law, this is a terrible idea. Hi, I'm Lynn St. estate planning and elder law attorney. So why is it that people think that by leaving their child $1, that then their child cannot cause problems for their estate? Well, this is a huge misconception. So by leaving an estranged child $1, what you've actually done is you've given them all sorts of rights that they would not otherwise have. And so that might give them an opportunity to contest your will, to create lots of problems, lots of legal expenses. So if you want to cut your child out of your will, do not say, I leave them $1. What should you do, and why do people think that they should leave their child $1? So let me help break this down and simplify it a little bit. So the law, at least in Washington, requires that you name your children. And I think this is where it comes from. You have to name your children. And if you don't name your children, then the law actually presumes that you forgot about your child. And if you fail to name your child, let's say you have 3 kids, Bobby, Susie, and Johnny, and you only want Bobby and Susie to inherit from you. You don't want Johnny to get anything. Well, in your will, you must say, I have 3 kids, Bobby, Susie, and Johnny. And Bobby and Susie will take from my estate. Johnny gets nothing. If you say that, then Johnny has no rights to contest the will because he's been left out, because he hasn't really been left out. You've named him, but you've said he doesn't get any money. So where does this $1 come from? Well, there's something in law called a no contest clause or an ad terrarium clause. That's the Latin for it. And some people kind of confuse these concepts and think, well, if I just say this child doesn't inherit, but they get $1, that they can't contest it. That's completely false. So giving a child $1 is a terrible idea. Don't do that.